So today we're gonna start doing oil change for Camry 2001, which is from 97 to 2001. They're the same. Okay, so you need one of those. Open it, of course. Open the air. Take the air out. Put under. You might need to jack it first. Sometimes you don't. So okay. Here you see that bump here. It helps to raise the car for both sides. We're gonna put it in the middle, raise it a little bit. Then you're gonna need some jack stand, of course, to be safe. So you center it with your fingers. You feel it, the center of the bump. The more you get close, the more it might move a little bit. So you're gonna center it. Turn the wheels to make it straight. Move with the car. Is it centered? Oh, excuse me. There we go. Really center. Back and front. Yeah, should be good. Check it. Center. See, whenever we can put them, because we don't need to raise it that much. Just enough to put this and be able to go under. Okay, that should be enough. One a little far away to hold wide. And two, the next. Okay, a little wide like this. Should be good. It should be good. We go get. Under. And then first down. Oops, that's good. Now you put the jack stand if you want. Double safe. Then you tight it here. Put it here. Just to be a second. Just have to touch. That's enough. Now you see where is the. Let's try it from here. Okay. Take some coffins. We go under and we're going to take the tools. We need ready? Yeah. We're going to use the 14, okay? 14 millimeters. So right here, if you need a tube, you can use the tube, but most likely it's good. So you lose it a little bit. Up, it's coming. So it's loose now. I get out and I put this and I open it completely. There we go. And just to make the air come out, and then open it completely and wait for it to. Oops, there we go. But we're going to use that wrench for the filter. Those are the best because it's tight like this. So you're going to have to do it like this, and it's going to help more to make it loose. Watch here, please. So we're going to put it here first, then we raise it up, then we kind of squeeze it. See, like this, and it's going to go with the filter. You see the filter turning? That's it. Now you filter. You can finish with your hand. That's it. It's dry because it was cold, so it's even better to change, easier to change, I mean. That's it. I'm gonna take the other filter and put some oil in the seal, and we can put it back. Okay. So we're gonna match this, and the best way to know is to screw it here. It needs to go really smooth, otherwise it's not in the thread. It needs to go really smooth. I mean easy, not tight. It's going tight. So we're gonna put some oil in here with the new oil and put some in the thread also. Maybe it can help. And I get back to the seal and we put in on the thread. Now look, it's gonna go super easy. much easier. See, when it goes like this, very easy, it's good. Until it's tight against, yes, it is. You tie it with the hand, and it's enough. Don't need to use the tools, because you don't want to tie too much. That's enough with the hand. Okay, so now we're gonna put back the oil. We're gonna close the bottom first, put the oil back in here with the and we're ready to go. Pause, please. So we're gonna close this one, the screw right back in spot, and then of course tight it with this, not too much. Okay, it's more comfortable. Oops. All the way inside. Tight it good enough. Should be good enough. Go check if there's leak after. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna empty all the oil in the bottom. This bottom. See how much we used and we should do this. So first we're gonna close this one back. Hold on a second. This one back. Okay. After we close this, we just close this, and we're gonna open this and empty in a tank to see how much we use. Hold on, just I'm gonna empty that in here to see how much. That's the empty old one. See how much we used. Then we put about the same amount to get an average of how much we need to not put it over max. Over max is dangerous for the engine. Oops, wait a little bit. Quarts, or less than a gallon. So we close after we close the filter, the screw in the bottom, we add about 3 quarts, and then we check the level. But before we check the level, we start the car to make sure the filter fills up a little bit, because it takes a little bit. This is after that, like 10 seconds or even. Then you turn it off, wait a few seconds, the oil goes down, check the level, and good to go. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.